This right here is a 2015 Hyundai Genesis, and it has the infamous oil light issue. You stop at a red light and the RPMs are lower, and all of a sudden the oil light turns on. And sometimes the oil light actually turns off if you actually increase the RPMs. It's a really weird thing that happens with this model vehicle. So I took it to the dealership and I paid $150 to get a diagnostics to see what's going on. And they came back with the fact that it has a sensor issue. Now, this is exactly what happens with this Genesis. You can see the oil light is actually on right there. And generally speaking, it turns on whenever it is at a stop. When the RPMs are lower, as you can see, it's around 500 RPMs. But right when I increase the RPMs, as you can see, the oil light just disappears. And this generally happens when you're driving, the oil light will disappear. And right when I bring it back to 500 RPMs, the oil light turns back on. I've checked on the forums and this is happening on many model years with this similar body style. So just because you have a 2019 does not mean you're safe from this potential issue. After getting my diagnostics, talking to your dealership, and also looking at forums, this is actually not a pump issue, but a weird sensor issue. Now, if you have a Genesis and the oil light is doing the exact same thing, chances are you have the same issue that I have and many other Genesis owners are starting to have. In the Hyundai shop where I went to take a diagnostics for this vehicle, there was a 2018 model, there was a 2017 model, and also two 2015 models, including my 2015, that was in there for the exact same thing. Now, let's talk about how you can actually go about fixing this, unfortunately. And the reason why I said unfortunately because it's not cheap. Now, if your vehicle is under some type of manufacturer warranty, extended warranty, then you're golden. Just go ahead and get it fixed for completely free. However, if you're like my vehicle and doesn't have any warranty anymore on the vehicle, the out-of-pocket cost that they quoted me was going to be around $2,600 to get that sensor replaced. The reason why is because the sensor is really far deep into the engine, and I guess it takes a lot of man hours to get it fixed, but at any rate, it's pretty expensive. And I've seen on the forums, a lot of people are just letting it be, letting it go, as long as they know it's not an actual issue with the oil pump in the vehicle. If you're interested in actually purchasing this vehicle, I really want you to know the 3 reasons why you should purchase this vehicle and the 3 reasons why you really should not purchase this vehicle. So I made this video, put it up here for you. Check it out.